Sir, one of the main thing people want to do is to go abroad. And being a Punjabi, हमारे को तो मेरे को तो पता था कि जाना बाहर ही जाना है. Simple. That was my agenda. My one single point agenda कि NRI का वो चाहिए board. So and international student exchange program, all these kind of things act like a very good exposure or very good icebreaker for students. कि before you plan to go abroad, एक बार जाके देख के आओ.
Right. For us at IMT Nagpur, international student exchange program typically happens for one term. So we don't send them for a long period of time, but it's not even short that you will miss out on many things. You study full 3 months in a particular university in a foreign country, and you are exposed to all the different subjects. You know, in the area of management, you can choose as a student. You have the flexibility to choose whatever subjects you want to study. And was 3 months they study, just you're staying there, and interacting with people with different nationalities, getting an exposure to international way of doing business. So benefits are huge. Yes, whether that will ultimately result in further going down to another country later on, that's fine. But then for us, this is a part of the program that in case you are interested, there are few opportunities available, and we can help you to go for that 3-month time period.
So sir, if I've joined your college or if I joined any good college, what is the process for this thing? Do I have to apply? There will be interview or typical thing, or
yes, should be willing to take our students. So not every year we have tie-up with 28 universities.
28, okay.
28, right? So typically 5, 6, 7, 8 universities typically every year would keep on asking for our students. So once that happens, we give this information to the students that okay, these are the universities which are wanting to invite you. Would you like to go? And then we conduct interviews and also look at their academic background.
Okay.
A bit of whatever they studied here in this first year, and also we are looking at their motivation to go. It's not ki ghumne jana, that is not the ultimate aim. It has to be studies, because this is going to be a part of your grade sheet. This all these subjects you will study will come under your mark sheet, and that becomes an important differentiator for you. Ki bhai, you when you for placement purposes, this will act as a great differentiator. So there is a huge advantage in going abroad for even 3 months.
Great. That's a good thing. That's attached to your academic report. So obviously मतलब तुम्हें करना ही पड़ेगा वाला काम. Because the moment you say going abroad, फिर एक दिमाग में आता है मैं काम भी कर लेता हूँ थोड़ा बहुत. So is it possible to do work there? बच्चा जो जाता है.
That depends upon the country. Usually, we not have that much time, because वो पूरा हाँ. And then क्या होता है कि this happens typically end of the first year. So as soon as the first year ends, there is a summer internship that we have to have here. So they have to come back. So unless something happens there, like the international internship is available to the student, that's a different thing. But usual thing is 3 months wahan padho and then come back to your usual routine, back to the campus.
Great, here. Great. So how about the cost? Because if I apply for a college there, well, they will be charging 5 to 10 lakh rupees only for the admission for the academics.
Correct.
So when you do the tie-up, how this cost thing taken?
So our MOUs directly state that fees to study there will not be payable by the student. That is waived off. Fees are waived off. So whether the foreign student comes here, we don't charge him any fees, or if our student goes to that international university, they don't charge a fee. Rest other expenses are to be borne by the students. Jana, those are expenses, because rehna 3 mahina rehna is it is costly. If you're staying in a country like France, so it is expensive, right? So plus flight, visa, everything else has to be borne by the student. Fees is kind of waived off.
And from the expensive side, I think France, all the northern countries, all expensive.
Yeah, France,
Sweden, Norway.
Yeah, those will be expensive.
And on cheaper side, which countries are more cheaper?
Maybe to some extent Germany, right? So, but then you see, better to kind of wait whenever you want to go. It is because the flight fares change so much and the living costs change so much. It is very difficult to pinpoint, right? But then usually you should be ready to shell out at least 4 to 5 lakh rupees for that entire 3 months. Yeah.
Would again change country to country.
Yeah, but then that's the kind of ballpark figure. You should be ready to mentally prepared कि इतना खर्चा तो होगा.
फिर भी कम है क्योंकि लाख रुपए तो if you look at the travel is itself 60-70,000 flight का हो गया.
At least a lakh, maybe nowadays so at least a lakh. Yeah.
So and then 1 lakh rupees per year of accommodation. I think that's good enough per month of accommodation. And
Yeah.
accommodation on campus क्या outside
So,
campus?
so that flexibility is there with the student.
Students,
वो बाहर रहना चाहता है, so that is up to him. Depending upon they can choose, no, कि भाई अगर मुझे ये बाहर सस्ता पड़ रहा है, but आने जाने का खर्चा है,
खर्चा हो जाएगा।
so that again, you know, वो student को call लेना पड़ता है. So these all things we will take you to that process कि आपका admission 3 months के लिए आपको मैंने facilitate कर दिया. Letter has come to you. Now it is your ball is in your court कि भाई वीज़ा के लिए अप्लाई करना है, कौन से कोर्सेज लेने हैं, ठीक है, कहाँ रहना है, एवरीथिंग इज नाउ अप टू द स्टूडेंट टू डिसाइड.
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट. ठीक है सर, तो मैंने अप्लाई कर दिया, मैं वहाँ चला गया, वहाँ जाके स्टडी किया. एंड देन व्हेन आई कम बैक, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू एडिशन ऑन माय रिज्यूमे, और व्हाट यू थिंक आर द मेन बेनिफिट्स ऑफ डूइंग ऑल दीस थिंग्स?
See, international exposure anytime any company would love to have. So if you have mixed with people from multiracial, multicultural background, you become a much more mature person. एक तो वो है. Then ways of doing business in an international, different country.
करेक्ट.
That's a big plus कि आपको पता चलता है कि भाई यहाँ marketing and India में marketing is a very different ball game. So those things you come to know. And apart from that, that you have fact that you have studied there, that exposure that you get makes you much more, I think, stronger as a personality also.
Correct.
3 month कहीं बाहर जाके रहना है, अकेले रहना है, you have to make new friends. Everything is new there, different people trying to adapt to the culture, language, climate, so many things,
Correct.
right?
And if you can survive that, you can do anything in the
Yes.
world.
So definitely that is an added advantage and gives you an edge over others. I think that if somebody has done 3 months work anywhere outside the country, will help.
Will help you.
In- yeah.
Superb, superb. So, sir, one thing is obviously clear कि that this is important. One of the very important activities
Yes,
to do.
yeah.
एक बार international trip होना चाहिए आपके resume पे, and call it tie up के through, या in every way, if they go for a backpacking tour for 1 month, I think a student can learn a lot.
Yes, of course, that
India
is
में
there.
होता नहीं है,
That is
बाहर
there.
बहुत common है.
But then since we have it as a part of the program,
they should-
it is always better to go through this, kind of this channel because it's a lot more controlled.
Correct, correct.
Right.
Correct. And especially the best part of your college is कि fees भी कम है, in general fees कम है. Then
Yeah.
he have some kind of a budget to spend and all these things.
हाँ, so that you have to be ready. And I think one important thing people also forget is कि passport चाहिए होता है.
अच्छा.
I'll tell you, some students lost opportunity. They were eager, but passport नहीं था. So we faced this, and they said कि नहीं अभी. And then see, you get 3 months time, but then passport अगर नहीं है, then entire process you have to go to your hometown to get it done. It's a lot of hassle. So better to have a passport ready if you.
तो जो एमपी की तैयारी कर रहे हो, मैथ्स पर पढ़ते जाओ, साथ में पासपोर्ट अप्लाई कर रहे हो. That is
Yeah.
more
In
important.
case you are serious about going outside, definitely that should be at least the
Great, great,
minimum
great.
requirement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.
ठीक है, right.